What's up, good people? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Hey, if you're new to the page, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, notification bell. Hey, I'm out of the studio. I'm here at FinCon, and I'm just going to go over some of the things that happened today in the stock market, all right? So, the Feds were speaking today. Jerome Powell was speaking today, and thank goodness he did not tank the market. He did not talk about tapering right away, which would have been not good for the market. And so it was a pretty decent day. I'll take it. Okay. It could have really been bad, but the market reacted pretty good. I think the market had priced in a few things and was ready for whatever. And so I'm happy with the market today. Green in a lot of stock, S&P up, all the key indicators were green today. Right? And so after that fall off the cliff Monday, we did pretty good. I think so. Okay. I'm going to talk about Lucid. Lucid Motors was due for, I'm going to kind of jump all over the place, but I just wanted to start with the overall market. Then I'm going to go into some crypto, right? Let's talk about Lucid. Lucid had a pullback today, Lucid Motors. And it was due for a pullback. It ran up. When in doubt, zoom out. Look at what it did for for the week. I mean, a week ago you could have got it at $19, and look at it now. And so it was just due for a pullback. I am long on Lucid. This pullback was inevitable. It was coming, and so I just believe for those of you that's getting it long term, dollar cost averaging in. They're supposed to be delivering some vehicles at the end of this month, though I think it'll be in October. But there's a lot of rumor that they're supposed to be delivering this month. That's one of the things that caused the run up. Another thing was, of course, it is verified that it gets over 500 miles per charge. That's 500 miles per charge. It's actually verified now. And so those were two good key catalyst for Lucid Motors, okay? And I just think it's going to be a good long-term hold. Don't worry about the volatility right now. They're not going to hit every quarter with all of the deliveries. We know that. They're going to have to raise future capital. We know that. But overall, 5-10 years, this is a good stock to hold, I believe, okay? And even with its current value. If you notice, the way you evaluate, all evaluations are not created equal, good people, especially when it comes to EVs, electric vehicles. So that's all I'm going to say with that, right? So I want to bring up another company that I've been bringing up, and that's Volta, ticker symbol VLTA. I noticed that Volta held pretty strong during the sell-off, and that's a good sign. Volta has been holding pretty strong. It's been on a run. I got it at 928, I believe, or 929. I believe it was 928 that I got in. The only mistake I made in Volta is not buying more. And so I wished I would have bought more. I bought a decent amount, but I wish I'd have bought more, because it's proven itself to be a good place so far, especially at the price that I got it. Remember, it was a SPAC, and the floor on SPACs is generally $10. And so that I got it beneath that. And so I'm dollar cost averaging in on Volta right now at about, I got some notes here, at about 11.90. So 11.90 is my buy price for Volta. So every time it hits 11.90-ish, so under $12, I'm going to add to my positions and start to dollar cost average in. All right. So let's go to crypto. I swing traded some more Cardano. Remember, my price point for Cardano right now is $2. In my Webull account, I just set a buy order at $2, and it hit it twice. It hit it again, and I bought some more. And when it goes back up, I'll tell you guys again for the third time, I set another buy price at $2. So if it dips back down to $2, I buy even more. These are my swing trades, okay? Now, I haven't traded it yet. I just bought 3 times on those dips. But I also added to my long-term position in Cardano or ADA in my Coinbase account. For those of you that haven't been following me, I'm holding all of my crypto in my Coinbase account long-term for years. I'm thinking 10 years, but I'm swing trading some in my Webull account, okay? Both links are below for the Webull and the Coinbase, all right? And so that's what I did. So twice now I got it at $2, it dipped down to $2, and then it came back up. And I'm going to swing trade the Cardano in my Webull link. All right, good people? We just keep waiting. And I don't chase it. I just chill, I sit back, I waited for it to come back to me, and then I trade it, okay? We're making good money with crypto, all right? So I did that, and I bought more Solana at $1.25, okay? So I just kept watching it. I wanted it at $1.21. So if Solana goes back to $1.25, I'm buying it. If it goes back to $1.21, I'm buying even more. Having said that, anything that I talk about today is not a suggestion for you to buy, sell, or hold stock. I am not your financial advisor. You must first do your own research and consult with your financial advisor, to which I am not. I have to say that, all right? So, and also too, if you see anything, because I'm talking about crypto, if you see anything talking about WhatsApp, here's my broker, send money here, it is not me. It's not me. And if you think it's not me, it's not me. If you think it is me, it's not me. I will never ask you for any info or to send any money. It's spam. Not just my page, but any page. I'm trying to protect you, good people. All right? So, Robinhood. Now, here's some things that is positive movement for all crypto, I believe. Robinhood now has a true wallet for their crypto. Robinhood now has a true wallet for their crypto. Robinhood stock is running up for that. I'm not into Robinhood. I'm not getting into Robinhood. I have my own personal reasons. For those of you that are making money with Robinhood, congratulations, all right? That's all I'm gonna say about that. All right, so, and then as Jerome Powell was talking, the Fed, he was talking about our banks launching our own digital currency. And I believe in a roundabout way that that's good for crypto, for all crypto. That's what I believe. Because crypto really is about decentralization. And I just believe that that's a vote of confidence for all crypto. Sometimes what you think is negative in the long run wind up being positive. I think regulation is going to be a upward catalyst down the road for crypto, okay? And I also think that crypto is about to have another bull run. And that's why I'm buying these dips in crypto, all right? Even Tom Brady said that he wouldn't mind taking his entire salary in crypto, okay? You guys may not think that that's a big deal, but all these little things just keep adding more confidence to crypto, okay? And so I believe that when the regulation hits and the FUD hits, that you'll see some dips. And then what's going to happen is once it gets regulated throughout our system, then it's going to give people more confidence that are not into crypto to start investing in crypto. And then here comes the crypto ETFs and all of that kind of stuff that's going to cause crypto to even run even further. And I think that all of that will happen after this bull run. Okay, good people. So I'm going to leave it right there. I got the sun shining right in my eye. I just wanted to, while I'm out here in Texas, I wanted to shout that out. And I wish I had it. For those of you that's out here in Austin, Texas, I am at the Marriott Austin downtown. I will be having a meetup Friday the 24th at 7:30 p.m. in the lobbyist. But they have a whole dining area there, and we're just going to have a meet and greet. I just like to meet you guys if you're in town. Okay, good people. Remember, check out all the links below. I have Coinbase. I have Webull, but I also have BLockFi. I think that everyone that has crypto, if you have crypto and you have Coinbase, you need to download BLockFi and deposit $100. Because when crypto winter hits, or when you accumulate enough and you just want to earn interest on it, like interest like way higher than a bank would ever pay, then that's where you want BLockFi for. Plus they have a credit card. You can apply for a credit card. You have no inquiries on your credit, and they're going to pay you 1.5% interest in Bitcoin on all your purchases. All right, good people, we're going to leave it right there. I'll try to stop in tomorrow. We'll see you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn.